Hey guys, it's been a while, but I am back with another beauty video. Today I'm going to do a full face of makeup using a combination of old favorites, new favorites, and completely brand new products that I've never even tried before. I've already washed my face and moisturized. This is from Joe Fresh. This is a Prep and Prime spray. I've been using it every day. The mister is great. Fresh and Go Hydrating Spray. I just really enjoy it. I want my skin to be hydrated, but then I want to use a matte primer. But then I'm going to use glowy mixed with matte foundation. Because I want to still glow and look radiant, but I don't want to be oily. It's been working for me, so let me just show you what I'm going to do. So yeah, this hydrating spray is fantastic. It does not make my skin feel oily. It just feels really it just feels really nice. Smells great. It's good. My next new favorite product is this matte primer. It's the Photo Focus Face Primer from Wet n Wild. I've tried other mattifying primers before. I've tried tons of primers. I find that a lot of them make my foundation kind of slip and slide and it doesn't really sit well on my nose. I've had the best luck this past week. I've only been using this for a week now. I've been using it every day and I absolutely love this. It's actually really helped. The combination that I'm using today is what I've been using all week, and I feel like my makeup has never looked better by the end of the workday. So this is the matte primer. Okay, now normally I would go straight into using foundation. But today I'm going to do something a little different. I ordered some new stuff from e.l.f. And one of the things I ordered are these little, like, it's just essentially Velcro bows. But you use them on your baby hairs and you just like slide it in. Every time I do my makeup, little hairs tickle my face and I want to scratch so badly. I just want to claw my face off. Using these, they're cute. They may look silly, but I think they're cute and they like legit help. So the reason I'm not going to jump into my foundation right away like I normally would is I want to use these Line and Define eye tape strips from e.l.f. So the reason you're supposed to use, or it's recommended to use these instead of a piece of tape, is because this is less harsh on your skin. Are those even? Kind of? Not really. There. So you're supposed to be able to readjust without like damaging your skin and really tugging at it. And I agree. Like I think that actually worked pretty well. So this is just kind of like a guideline to make having a cat eye a little easier. I'm not going to use liner, but I am just going to use eyeshadow to kind of create that smoky cat eye effect. And today I'm going to be using a new eyeshadow palette. I've been using this for 2 weeks now. This is the Just Peachy matte eyeshadow palette from Too Faced. Okay, so these are at different angles, I realized while I was doing it. Before, I didn't want to take them off quite yet. I'm not quite ready to take them off. I don't know. This eye look kind of got a little away from me. We'll see. Hopefully I can salvage it with this. I wanted to try this Wet n Wild. I don't even know what it's called. It's a glitter single. I got this today. This is in the color Brass. I'm just going to open it. I don't know how to apply it actually. Let's try this. I'm just going to go for it. I'm going to wet it. Oh, I don't know how to do this. Oh, it's like jelly. Okay, I'm gonna go for it, guys. Sometimes when you try things, they suck. It's chunky and nasty feeling and nasty looking. Guys, in this very moment, I am deciding to not let this get me down, and to power through. Here's the reveal. Did it work? Oh, I like it now. Okay, the glitter. I'm gonna roll with it. Let's do foundation. If you haven't watched my Battle of the Drugstore foundations, why not? A. And B, the winner is this. This is the Maybelline Matte and Poreless. Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless. I use this every single day. Lately, I've been using it with my Maybelline Dream Cushion. And it's just so pretty. So what I do is I go, bam, and I start dotting it on. And then I take my Dream Cushion, open her up, take my Beauty Blender, push it in there. I'm running out. Push it in there, and then blend. So I went ahead and finished my foundation. Then I went in and I also concealed, and I used the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. And now I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder to set my face. I'm going to take my damp sponge, the same one I used for my foundation and my concealer, and I'm going to press the powder into the areas that I concealed. It may seem like I'm using a lot of powder, but honestly, this really helps control my oil throughout the day, especially in the summer. It feels heavy right now, but once I dust it off, it doesn't feel heavy anymore, but it still helps control my oil. I'm going to be using this e.l.f. brush. So beautiful. I've been eyeing this up on their website for a really long time, and Nick bought it for me the other day. I'm so excited to use it. I haven't used it yet. I've been waiting for this video. Whatever powder I have is going to be used to set my face, and then I'll just dust the rest away. Oh, it's so soft. It's so much bigger than my other brushes. Oh, I love it. So then we're gonna bronze. So this is my bronzing brush. Most of my brushes are e.l.f. I have a few eyeshadow brushes that are Wet n Wild, a few Sephora, and then I have a few Joe Fresh ones, but most of them are e.l.f. because that's my budget. This glitter. Oh, why did I do this? It's getting like in all my wrinkles, and like it's like sticking, and it What does a girl do? I'm gonna do my brows because I look like a crazy person. I am going to do lower lash line. Sure, let's do lower lash line. Thank God I didn't spend more than $1.50 on this. That should have been a sign. I just want to have a decent finished look, which is why I'm applying more of this disgusting gel glitter. You guys, I hit 10 already. Don't buy it. I do have another new product I want to try. I bought this, the Physicians Formula Better Highlighter. Oh, finally a good product. This is really, really pretty. Oh, yeah. Okay, I kind of put too much because I got excited. Then I'm going to go in with lips. I got this little combination. I have a Maybelline matte lipstick in coral, and I got a L'Oreal lip liner in hopefully a close shade. This highlight though, absolutely love this lip liner. It's very soft. I like a harder lip liner because it stays in place better. This is like creamy, easy to make a mistake with, and it kind of moves around. This lipstick, I really, really love Maybelline lipsticks. This one in this particular color though, it didn't have a very even application. I actually had to go back over my lips with the lip liner to really fill in the color because it was a bit patchy. I might try it again without this lip liner and just on its own, and maybe it'll just be kind of like a more sheer wash of color and won't slide around as much, maybe because the lip liner kind of messed it up. I'm not sure. This glitter on my eyes are starting to burn. I want to take it off. So chunky, a big letdown. I mean, it does look pretty. The e.l.f. things worked. I don't often do looks like this. I usually have my glasses on and you can't really see it anyway. Overall though, like this highlight just like made everything okay. So that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel, show me some love, and I'll see you in my next video.